What's the best way to protect your valuable assets from lightning strikes? Did you know there are 8.6 million lightning strikes per day, with over 194 million strikes in the US last year? These strikes are extremely damaging and costly to industrial facilities, sensitive equipment, and volatile storage installations. So, what's the best way to protect your valuable assets from these lightning strikes? Here's our recommendation. Start by doing some research. Check out some of these sites for information about lightning protection and lightning protection standards. Sites like Wikipedia, the National Weather Service, the National Severe Storms Laboratory, and lightning protection standards like NFPA 780, UL 96, and others. Once you have learned the basics of lightning protection, then visit the LEC site at www.lightningprotection.com. Here you will find that our solutions employ the same scientific methods you learned from your research and that our patented products are designed to meet the most rigorous industry standards. Then schedule a chat with our engineers to discuss your specific situation and assets that will need lightning protection. That's the best way to protect your valuable assets from lightning strikes. You can always contact us first if that works best for you.